Starting college research writing can feel overwhelming at first. You're about to engage with others' ideas and try to fold those ideas into your own context, using research to support an idea you declare. It's crucial to know when to quote, paraphrase, or summarize. Let's begin with quoting. Use the author's exact words when their language is powerful, when you need primary resources or accounts, or when you simply can't improve upon what they've already said. According to Purdue OWL, quoting is best for impactful language. Quotes are the strongest and perhaps best use of research in a paper because they're easily verified and demonstrate your ability to collaborate with research rather than oversee it. Let's say, for example, you quote an expert statement, like when Aristotle himself says, and quote, "He who neither knows, nor lays to heart another's wisdom is a useless wight," end quote, and now the citation, which is parenthesis, Aristotle, 350 BCE, para. 8, close parenthesis, and period. This emphasizes Aristotle's authority. Always include a signal phrase and proper citation. In that same example, I might say the following in one sentence. People understand that any person who fails to embrace open quote, another's wisdom is a useless wight, end quote. Next, we have paraphrasing. This is about rephrasing ideas in your own words. It is very rare that paraphrasing will help your research cause because it is unlikely that you will be able to say it better than the author did herself. However, let's say the language you're referencing is complicated and you know you can simplify it. This would be a good time to paraphrase. You do this by taking the exact wording and changing it completely. It is not enough to change a little. You have to make a new sentence structure and use entirely new words to mean the same thing that was originally said. Paraphrasing is great for simplifying complex information, but it still needs to be explained, contextualized, and cited. Remember to cite the paraphrased sources, too. Plagiarism can happen if you don't. Lastly, let's talk about summarizing. Summarize when you want to condense a larger text into a broad explanation. Summaries should be used very rarely because they are hard to confirm and easy to break. In other words, it's perfect for explaining the main argument. But what if you happen to mistake something in the larger text and you create a summary that isn't right? You could find you've accidentally plagiarized if you do. Summaries still need to be cited, but should be used sparingly. For instance, you might summarize a lengthy article if you need to refer to its overall context. This might help you contextualize your own analysis. Always use a signal phrase when summarizing, too. You use signal phrases to contextualize any form of research you integrate. Remember, using quotes, paraphrases, and summaries builds your argument. Citing correctly boosts your credibility as a writer and helps avoid issues with academic integrity. Engage with academic voices. Don't hide behind them.